How to fix Messenger incoming calls not showing up on mobile screen. Open Messenger app. Tap on three lines. Go to Setting. Tap on Notifications and Sound. Turn on notification. Go to your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on Apps. Click on Manage Apps. Search Messenger app. Now click on Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Now clear your Messenger cache data. Tap on App Permission and make sure all app permission is enabled. Open Play Store. Search Messenger latest version. Make sure your app is updated. Now switch off your mobile phone and then retry. I think your problem will be solved.